What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Gotta make sure I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. All right. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Brian P Alvarez here, and I'm really excited because I get to talk to you guys about what this is here on my desk. Now, I've been hyping this up for quite some time, and today was supposed to be like the launch of installing this into my 440i Grand Coupe. But guess what? My car's at the shop. Yeah, and I want to be just really open with you guys. My car's at the shop. My car is at the dealership right now getting repaired, and you're probably like, Brian, what did you do now? No, I didn't do anything. I bought the car and the window seals were loose. I believe were just not great, like properly sealed. So I took it to BMW and they said, hey, we can repair it for you, because guess what? When I drove over 60 miles an hour, there was a lot of wind noise coming in. It was just really annoying. When I would go over 60 miles an hour, it was just coming into the rear view window. So I got that repaired. Also, my Harmon Kardon sound system was like just not the greatest. Like the rear speaker was just crackling on some really deep bass songs. So, which kind of segues to this right here, right? Because now I'm comparing Harmon Kardon to Bob Sound. Now, I'm pretty excited about this because I do have a partnership with Bob Sound. And again, today was supposed to be the installation of one of these parts, you know, the tweeters, the mid speakers, or the subwoofers, but I can't do it because my car's at the shop. So I do want to answer questions that you guys may have. So drop a question below as far as the sound system goes, or just the 440i in general. Guys, I want to document every single week and I want to bring value to the table. Honestly, if you're a audio enthusiast, an audiophile type of person, you will love Bob Sound, because guess what? They focus on European cars, Euros, BMW sound systems, and I am in love with high fidelity type of sound. Is up the needs that I need. So, and this can honestly satisfy my needs on the audio side of things with my car. Because, you know, from time to time, I love to just cruise and listen to the music, go on comfort mode, not really care about the engine motor, say if I enjoy the music. And there are times where I roll down the windows and I just love to hear the motor. Now, with a sound system, I'm very picky. You know, I don't want to sound too bassy, have like 3 12-inch kickers or crazy subs in the trunk and cruise around. No, I'm not about that. I want quality. High quality sound, and this right here, Bob Sound, from what I've seen and heard, will deliver that. So guys, stay tuned, because I am doing a series on how to install each of these components into the 440i. I am getting the Harmon Kardon sound system repaired, but I am gonna take it all out and do a comparison video from Harmon Kardon and Bob Sound. So let me know your thoughts below on how your Harmon Kardon sound system is just sounding. You know, I mean, my car is a 2018. You got like a few years under it already, and already the rear speaker is just blown. And in fact, the dealership said that they're replacing the whole sound system because it's just not up to date. So anyways, that's where I'm at today. I do have a few partnerships coming along. I am really excited for what's gonna happen to the 440i. And just all the parts that I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of going more for the aesthetics first, you know, carbon fiber parts, front lip, the mirrors, and a few other things, like maybe the rims too. So if you have any suggestions at all as far as rims and which one I should choose for the 440i, drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think. But yes, guys, so this is a quick update of where I'm at with the 440i. I hope that it can just shine some light into what I'm doing with my build. I am promising that every week I will upload a video. So guys, thank you so much for your support and just watching this video. If you have any questions on Bob Sound or Harmon Kardon or what I am doing with my 440i, drop a comment below and I can get to you right away. I do have partnerships coming with exhaust, and also for the OBD adapter. I am doing a whole series on like beemer code and coding in some really cool functions into the 440i. I am looking into an exhaust system that I can, you know, I really love the way the B58 engine sounds in general. So adding the M Sport exhaust is a good route as well. But I'm also looking into like a straight pipe with valve control action. I know Valvetronic is one of those companies that just pops into mind when you're thinking of valve control, but I found another company that can offer all of us a simple system that just opens and closes the valves to make it straight pipe or just sound stock to whatever axle back you have. So stay tuned, because I am excited for this. It's gonna come soon. We're talking about measurements, and they're gonna be developing a product for BMW. So guys, stay tuned. We're gonna get a straight pipe action going into our BMWs. And hey, if you don't want to flex, you could just like hit the button and close the valves, and it'll sound completely stock, which I'm so excited for. So you can flex when you want to and not flex, right? So I'm so excited about that. If you want to know what company I'm thinking of, just shoot me a DM. My Instagram is right here, and I'll show you what company I am talking to. They're great people. They are responding really quick. The customer service is already up to par, and I haven't even gotten the part yet, right? So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, because guys, a lot of stuff is coming to this channel, and I am excited. So once my car comes back from the dealership, this is gonna get installed. I am talking to Kies Motorsports to get some carbon fiber parts into my car as well. So guys, a lot of things happening. If you're looking for some parts for the N20 motor, for the 320i to be exact, I still have my AWE exhaust suite, the full cat back system. So if you want that, send me a DM. I could probably ship it to you, but I will charge you shipping and handling. If you're local, which is in California, LA County, Inland Empire, Orange County, Riverside County, shoot me a DM and I could possibly save this cat back suite for you. The AWE sounds phenomenal. I have a video up here on how it sounds exactly, so you can just listen to that video. And I also have M3 fenders that have not even been painted. They're still wrapped in a box. And I know a shop here in LA that can take care of you for a really good quality job and match the paint as well. So let me know, guys. I have those two things available, M3 fenders and the AWE exhaust suite. So shoot me a DM on my Instagram and we can talk about how to get those two parts out to you. Everything else is pretty much sold. Those are the only two things that I have left for my build, my 320i. If you are interested in all things N20 build, there is a playlist that hosts everything that I've done. So my 320i N20 motor, you can watch it up here. And guys, again, thank you so much for support. I'll catch you next week.